Hello everyone, welcome back to my cosplay channel. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Or am I? Well, you just saw in the intro what happened today, and I don't know why exactly it happened, but it just happened. Some of you might have seen the trend of Bowsette going around on the internet. I have. And I gotta say, she's like all I wanna be in life. If you don't know who Bowsette is, just Google it. Go ahead, you'll find out about her. When I first saw her, I was like, I fucking need to do a makeup tutorial or a video about her, because she's such a badass and she is definitely my favorite Mario character of all time. Also, yes, she might look a little different in the end than in all the memes or on the internet or whatever, because I kind of want to do my interpretation of her, not like exactly like a cosplay. I want to do a makeup tutorial based on her. Okay, I think we should get this started. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover because I don't know what the hell is going to happen now. See you later, alligators. Bye. Let's do this. Alrighty, let's start with trying to get over all the random glitter flakes I found on my eyelid. And then we can start priming our lids just like normal. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, by the way. And I'm gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette in this dark black. And I'm just gonna start packing it onto my lid because I want to do like a dark smoky eye. And then I realized I wanted to get a little bit closer to you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just packing on that black eyeshadow with a packing brush, just like super messy. And then I'm grabbing a blending brush and I'm blending this black eyeshadow out. Just how you do black smoky eye. That's it. Once my eyeshadow is blended to my liking, I am going to get rid of all the fallout beneath my eyes. And yes, you know the drill. I'm gonna be looking like a tomato after this. And then I'm going to apply some foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade, I can't remember. But yeah, it's just applying foundation. You can see what I'm doing here. Grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm just concealing my spots and acne scars and applying concealer underneath my eyes because a girl looks tired. Can you tell I felt like there was a hair in my mouth? And right here I'm just thinking about life, apparently. Okay, now I'm applying the black eyeshadow out of the Sultry palette on my lower lash line and blending it out again, so we got a nice smoky eye going. And now I'm basically just finishing my face makeup and applying some bronzer, applying some highlighter. This one is the new highlighter by Becca in the shade Berlin Girl Glow. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Oh, and now it's everybody's favorite part, the tooth paint. You can tell I'm excited. First off, you gotta make your teeth dry as hell with a paper towel or something. And then I'm basically trying to make my teeth look like demon's teeth. Like Bowsette's teeth. I don't know if she has like demon teeth. I think she just has like fangs, but that's just what I wanted to do, so I'm going with it. And now it's time for the fangs. I wasn't quite sure if I want to keep them. You can see I'm just checking if I like them. Well, it looks so derpy. And I decided I wanted to put them on. I struggled a little bit. And yeah, I'm not in frame. That's great. Yeah, I basically had to keep my mouth open for like 5 minutes. And it wasn't very cute looking. What is this? Oh, okay, it's dry. Yeah, I struggled a lot. You can see that. This is a long clip of me struggling with these teeth. And why do I look like I'm having the time of my life there? Alright, next it's time for some pointy ears. You can see these are not really my skin color, but we can fix that later. So first of all, I'm gonna see if they fit. They fit kind of, and then I am just gonna glue them on. Well, I was kind of feeling myself. I don't know why, but apparently I was. Okay, next I wanted to put some foundation on to match my skin tone, but that wasn't a good idea because it looked super streaky on them. So I just went ahead with some powder foundation, and that was way better. Next, it's time for some contacts. Yay! Normally I struggle super hard with this part, but it wasn't that bad this time. I don't know why. Maybe I just had a good day, but it kind of worked. I just look very dumb applying them, but it worked. Alright, time for some lashes. I don't know which brand these are. And time for some mascara. Alright, time for some black lipstick. I don't know why, but I just felt like in that moment my Bowsette wants to wear black lipstick. And here we go. And you know what time it is now. Let's change. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna put on my choker, my wristbands, yeah, and all of that good stuff. Alright, now it's time for the wig. I kind of struggled putting on the wig cap with these ears. I bought this wig off Amazon and the horns are from Etsy. I kind of just attached them onto the wig, and now I just gotta style it a little bit because it looks very messy. So I basically just looked at a picture of Bowsette, looking at her hair, what it looks like, and then I just styled it and cut it just like so it looks like her hair, because this wig was very messy when I got it. And we're actually on to the last step right now. This is the little crown of Bowsette. I super glued this one onto a headband and just put it into my wig, and that's it. I have like so much lipstick on my fangs. I don't even know what to say to this. This is something I've never done before, and I kind of love it. It's just something different. Something different. Yeah. I can hardly speak with these teeth. And originally I wanted to wear these earrings, but I accidentally glued the ears right on my ear hole. So I just can't get it anymore. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Bowsette on Instagram. Okay, funny one. Which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. I really can't speak. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this everyday makeup look, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh,